Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use vital proteins for collagen benefits, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, choose your preferred vital proteins collagen product. You can select from options like collagen peptides or flavored collagen powders. Next, measure out the desired serving size. For most products, 1 scoop is typically recommended. Then, pick a liquid to mix your collagen into. Water, smoothies, coffee, or even oatmeal are great options. Pour the measured collagen powder into your chosen liquid. Stir or shake the mixture thoroughly. Make sure the collagen is completely dissolved for the best experience. If using a smoothie, blend all ingredients together until smooth. You can also add other ingredients like fruits or greens for added nutrition. Once mixed, enjoy your collagen-enhanced drink or meal. For best results, incorporate collagen into your daily routine. Consider taking it at the same time every day for consistency. Keep track of your intake to monitor the benefits over time. Finally, observe how your skin, hair, and nails respond to the collagen. This will help you understand the positive effects it brings to your body. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.